Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come to Gigabyte driver and then you can see here right hand side to search button, just click it and then type your model number of motherboard which is required to driver. Then click to guys product. Then click the name of the title. So guys then click to support. Then guys select your operating system Windows 10 11 which is required. So select any installations process which is I am saying like same. Okay. Chipset AMD chipset driver, just click to download. You can see here this is size 71.95. Then it is completed, just single click to open, double click to launch this. Then click to yes. Then closed.